Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Krodo Smooth Shower Hose. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So in this box is a Krodo PVC Smooth Shower Hose in silver. And it measures 1.5 meters long or 59 inches. And let's go ahead and open up the box. Well, of course, pulling out the tab and just taking a look inside the box, and obviously I've dropped a packet of what appears to be washers. So let's set that packet to the side and just give you a nice close-up look directly into the box with the packaging as it is. And lift the contents out from the box packaging, setting them down. And that's the box emptied. We can set it down and let's set it on the right hand side of the frame. Right there. And just spreading the contents out neatly across the tabletop so you have a nice clear view of this Krodo Smooth Shower Hose. So this one, as I mentioned, measures 1.5 meters long, 1.5 meters. Or 59 inches. And let's start off by taking a look at this leaflet. So it comes with a leaflet with some details about Capitan and other items. Okay, so let's set that on the left hand side of the frame and moving right along. We have, of course, the packet of what appears to be a couple of washers or grommets. So I'm just going to open up the packet so you have a nice, clear, close-up look at what exactly they look like without the packet getting in the way. So we're just going to set that packet to the side and giving you a look as to these, what appears to be rubber washers. So right there, giving you a look as to the design, size, and of course the flexibility or construction of these washers right here. So in black, and they appear to be, as I mentioned, rubber. So giving you a look as to the thickness as well, right there, of these two black washers. Okay, so setting them down and moving on to the shower hose itself, you can see it is packed in a clear plastic packet or bag. And let's open it up. Slide the hose out, and in the packet there is a card. I'm just going to set the packet to the side, and once again giving you another look with my hands out of the way so you have a nice, clear, unobstructed view of this Krodo Smooth Shower Hose. Okay, so now taking a look at this card that was in that clear packet along with the hose. So it is a feedback request card. And of course, if you need to contact their customer support, the details are on this card as well, on this side. So two sides to the card. Just going to set the card on the left hand side of the frame. And then now we can focus on this smooth shower hose. So it is made from PVC. So polyvinyl chloride, and you can see that it is flexible, so it's not your typical or standard stainless steel shower hose, or the more conventional shower hose, I should say. And it does have chromed brass fittings. It does come with a 5-year guarantee as well. So this shower hose measures 1.5 meters long or 59 inches. And just giving you a look. So it is, or does have, an anti-kink as well as anti-twist design. So giving you a close-up look to the two connector ends. So they do have 1/2 inch global connections on both ends of this shower hose. Just giving you a look inside. And it is anti-twist in design, so it will not twist, as you can see right there, rotating the hose and turning that cap or connector around. So anti-twist in design right there on both sides. And let's see if it's anti-kink as well. You can see very, very flexible right there, using a decent amount of pressure or strength trying to twist or bend or kink the hose. It is pretty rigid, as you can see. And right there, just showing you the finish on the hose. It does have a glossy finish with a nice satin-like color on the, of course, underside beneath that gloss layer. And it does have a reinforced inner core as well to provide that robustness and rigidity. As you can see, it is anti-kink right there. So pretty stiff as it is right there, but obviously that inner core providing that much needed strength to give you a nice consistent shower water supply. And once again, giving you a look as to the chromed brass fittings right there, providing an anti-twist design. So giving you, once again, just different views and angles to this very sleek PVC smooth shower hose right there with the 1/2 inch connections. And that nice, smooth, easy to clean finish, of course. Just a simple wipe down will do the trick, so there's no gaps as compared to your conventional coil type shower hose where dirt and grime can build between the gaps. So right there, giving you a nice good look at this Krodo smooth shower hose. Of course, don't forget those two washers as well that come with this shower hose. And right there, taking a nice all-round look at this Krodo smooth shower hose. So you can see the finish on the chromed brass fittings are very, very nicely polished and with nice smooth edges as well. And try to give you a much closer up look right there if I can, right down and into that fitting and into the hose. And of course giving you a look at the tread as well. Okay. So that's the Krodo Smooth Shower Hose. Thanks for watching and happy showering!